चलो से पहले बोल लो प्यार से गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर एक्सरसाइज कौन सा था? 3.2। अच्छा, वी हैव रिटन राइट। चलो से क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 in this also 1 is there, 1 1. What is question saying? Form a pair of linear equation in the following problem and find their solution graphically. Find their solution graphically means in this one you required graph paper. Correct. I will solve on the board. In home you go and try your on the graph sheet. Correct. If you have bought here you can do now also. If not bought, do in the home. Saying 10 a student of class 10 a student of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girl is 4 more than number of boys, total number of student how much? 10. Total number of student is 10 and saying if the number of girl is 4 more than the number of boys, 4 more than number of boys. Find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Find the number of boys and girls took part in the quiz. You can find simply only. Why require this graph and something, right? NCERT man, we have to do. See, so let number of girl be X, be boy be Y. Correct. Total number of student
10.
is equal to 10. Getting? Acha, according to the question, what is saying? Total number of if the number of girl is 4 more than number of boy. Number of girl is 4 more than number of boy. Number of girl is 4 more than number of boys. Number of girl is 4 more than number of boys, right? Then we should formulate the equation. Correct now? For this only how will do? Or how will do? This one not knowing to do now. See, bring this y this side, bring this y. So x minus y is equal to 4. X minus y is equal to. Acha, one more thing is there. Total number of student is 10. Means x plus y is also equal to 10. X plus y also is equal to 10. Now make dabba. Here also make dabba. X y x is equal to 0, y is equal to 10, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 10, x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 4, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then till 10 you should take, right? So I am taking 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Correct na? 4, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. Now x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. X is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 4. X is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 4 here.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Next, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. This point.
Sir.
So one line will come almost like this. It will cross through this point, right? Yes or no? Achha, other is saying x is equal to 0, y is equal to 10. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 10. X, y. Next saying x is equal to 10, y is equal to 0. This point.
Sir.
Yes na? Means Correct na? Where these 2 points are cutting, from here join this and join this, something will get answer. It's not pakka, but how to check answer, like where this graph is cutting. Where this graph is cutting, from here make a straight line, from make here straight line. Where this meeting on the x axis, that will the value of x. Where this meeting on the y axis, that the value of y. Getting? So next question, I will just formulate the equation and remain thing you should do, right? So question number 2 is saying 5 pencil and 7 pens together cost 50 rupees. Together cost 5 pencil and 7 pen. So let the cost of pencil be rupees x and pen be rupees y. X and y. Acha. Next saying 5 pencil and 7 pen. So 5x plus 7y is equal to 50, and whereas 7 pencil and 5 pen, 7 pencil, so 7x plus 5y is equal to given 46. So now saying find the cost of a pen and pencil. So again you will do same thing, dabba, yes na, x, y, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 50 by 7, 50 by
7.
we are getting something into fraction, something into fraction. So actually whatever you do, if you put 2 also, it will not become divisible, right? Because in 7 table 0 not came only, yes or no? If you put minus 2, so minus 10, if you put minus 4, then it will become 70, right? If you put here minus 4, so minus 20, this side plus 20, this side plus 20, plus 20 means plus 50 plus 20 plus 70, then x is equal to, will get 10. Correct. If you put minus 4, then put that only, x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to how much? 10. Correct. Acha. Now y is equal to how much will put? Put y is equal to 0, then x is equal to also 10. Getting? If you not do in this format, you will get this one as a fraction. This one as a like you can think, put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 means this is 5. This is 5. So plus 5, this side minus 5 means plus 45. Plus 50 minus 5 is 45. Acha, in 7 table 45 comes? No.
No, sir.
You will get fraction only. If you put 2 also, this will, then it will become 40. 7 table 40 not came. So whatever you do, it will be coming like that only. Correct?
Yes, sir.
If you put 3, 5 3s are 15, right? So then it will become 35. Then it will become
35.
so 7 5s are 35. Plus 3 you can put. Correct. So you can not only this, you can put many value which doesn't give you the fraction, because if it's give fraction, you will get problem. Yes or no? Okay, whatever you get answer. Now here x, y. If we put x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, we can't get here 46. In 5 table 46 will not come, right? Achha, x is equal to 1, then even then not. X is equal to 2, then this minus 14 how much? Even then it will not, because it should come either 0 or 5. Either 0 or 5. Directly put x is equal to 6. 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are
42.
minus 42. 4. So 4 by 5. 4 by 5. And put y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. So 7 6 are 42. Still it will not go. So 46 by 7. 46 by 7. Any value you can take, right? After that simplify it. How much you will get? And that one you should put on the graph. Yes or no? So leave this one. I am not doing this one. Now come to question number 2. This is question number 1, 1 and 2.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now question number 2. Saying on comparing the ratio A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, find out where the line represents the following pair of linear equations intersect at a point or parallel or coincidence. Correct. 3 things we know for this thing. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. If all are not equal, if one situation all are
Not equal.
one situation is not equal to C1 by C2. Yes ना? अच्छा, one more situation.
Are equal.
Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, if all are equal, if all are equal, then which kind of solution will get? If all are equal, then sorry, all are not equal. All are not equal. Which
Solution.
we will get 100% one solution.
Yes, sir.
What will get?
One solution.
One solution or unique solution. Unique means 100% one only. Acha, how will the graph? Graph will be cutting at some place.
Yes, sir. Meeting.
Yes na? Graph will be cutting at. Give it duster. So once simply somebody I am writing here, so we can able to judge all the question, right? Acha, when two are equal, one is not equal. When two is equal, one is
Not equal.
which kind of graph will you
No
get?
solution.
No solution. Acha, and graph will be how?
Sir.
See back.
Parallel.
Graph will be how?
Rather, sir, two lines which do not meet.
Graph will be
Parallel.
do not means it is parallel lines. This parallel line means here you will get no
Solution.
SOLN solution short form, and graph will be how? Parallel lines. It will not be meeting. Correct na? Acha. And here when all three are equal,
Infinity.
when all three are equal, then solution will be infinite solution. How? Infinite solution. And how will the graph?
Matching.
Both line will come on
Same.
same only, one on one, right? This is called coincidence. Coincidence, not coincident. Coincident. COINCIDENT, and this is parallel, and this is meeting at a point. Meeting at a, what is this called? Intersect. Intersect. Copy till here. Did you copy it? Did you copy it till here?
Copy, sir.
This also should copy now also.
Copy.
What is question saying? Comparing the ratio A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, find out where the line representing the following pair of linear equation intersect at a point parallel or coincidence. Correct na? Just you should find here. Either it is intersecting or parallel or
Coincidence.
means just you should see that three condition. You should see that three condition. So see here. First one 5 by 7, minus 4 by 6 and 8 by minus 9. True? 8 by minus 9. Are yes or no? Now check this all are equal or not? Are all are equal?
No, sir.
No. Why? All are equal?
No, sir. No solution.
Pakka? Are all are equal or not? At least you find. See, this is 5 by 7. If you cut also 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, means this is 2 by minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by, and this is 2 2 4 ja 8, and we can't cut only.
Only, sir.
Correct. So these two are not equal and these two are also not equal. Not equal means which one?
Solution.
No solution. One solution.
Are first one coming na?
Yes, sir.
First one means no,
Solution.
means unique solution. Unique.
Solution.
But question is not asking which kind of solution you will get. Question is asking intersect at a point parallel or coincident. Which kind of graph you will get? Or which kind of graph you will get in this?
Unique solution.
A graph intersect at a point. Intersect at a point. So right here. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by
C2.
C2. So graph will be intersect at a point. Question is not asking which kind of solution you will get. Question is asking which kind of graph you will get. Yes or no? So just find A1 by A2. See there and write. At least everything written on the board. That one you can see now. Now see here do 9 by 18, 3 by 6, and this is
2 by 4.
see 2, 2, 2. All are equal or not?
It's equal.
All are equal or not? All are equal. All are equal means graph will be how?
Infinity.
Coincident.
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 Coincident. Correct na? Graph will be coincidence. Question is asking about graph, not about the solution. If they ask about solution, we will write here. Here we will get a unique solution. Correct? Acha. Here we what will say? Infinite solution. If they ask about solution, then only. Correct? And here what will say? 6 by 2, 3 by 1, 9 by 10. See, this is 3. These two are equal, but these two are not equal. These two are equal, but these two are not equal. So graph will be how? Parallel. Correct. And no solution. And no solution. Getting? Yes or no? Copied? See, next question. Question number 3. Question number 3. Saying on comparing the ratio A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Consistent or so this one I didn't teach, right? Consistent or consistent means at least we can get some solution or not. We should get some solution. It's called consistent. If we can't get any solution, that is called inconsistent. See, so here and here we can get something solution. Here many solution will get. Here many solution and here one solution, right? So this both situation is called consistent. This both situation is called and this is called inconsistent. Correct now? I will write here. Consistent and inconsistent. Correct? Consistent, inconsistent and consistent. Correct now? If you are getting any solution means consistent. If you are not getting any solution, inconsistent. And in this question is asking for solution, not asking for graph. Asking for solution, not asking for graph. Getting now? Last question is asking for the graph. Yes or no? So now do the question. See here. 3, 1. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Correct now? Just fine. So 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 2 by minus 3 and 5 by 7. See, all are not equal. All are
Not equal.
If all are not equal means
Inconsistent.
all are not equal, consistent. We will get some solution, right? So consistence. Correct na? If you're not getting a spelling here, you can read from there. At least I have written there correctly. Correct? And after I write, don't ask me also that what I have written. Listen and understood. Correct. Question number 2 is saying 2x minus 3y is equal to 8 and 4x minus 6y is equal to saying 9. So 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 8 by 9. See, this is 2, this is 2, means these two are equal, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, and this is not equal. So a1 by a2 is equal, b1 by b2 is also equal, but c1 by c2 is not equal. So this is inconsistent. Correct na? Question number 3 saying 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7 and 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. Correct. Find it. 3 by 2 divided by 9. Yes na? And 5 by 3 divided by minus 10 and 7 by 14. 7 by 14. Try to simplify. Equal or not, this is to check. Equal or not, this is to check. So this is 3 by 2. This means 9 will a by b by c. A by b by c. I am saying here a by b by c. Same situation. A by b by c. And sorry, what we will get here? A by b divided by c. Meaning of this is this only. Yes na? Means a by b into 1 by c. Yes or no? Means a by bc. A by now I am saying the properly by step. Next time directly I will do. Just a by bc directly I will write. Understood? So don't ask next time like how it comes, because every time I can't teach the same thing, right? See one more situation. A by b by c. A by b by c. So here how a divided by b by c is given. Divided by downside, right? Means a into c by b is given. Yes or no? Means ac by b. AC by means this C will go up and B will be down only. Yes or no? See, this is assume case number 1, case number 2 and case number 3. A by B by C by D. Like you get 4-1. A by B by C by D means A by B divided by C by D means A by B into D by C. Into D by means AD by BC. Correct. 3 cases it will come in division. Whichever come in use, that one you apply that time. Right. So what will come here? A by B by C. So this is 3 by 18. 3 by 18. 3 by 18 means 1 by 6. 3 by 18 means 1 by 6. Come here. 5 by 30. 5 by minus 30 actually. 5 by minus 30. So coming 1 by 6 but minus 6, right? So not equal. These two are not equal. I mean this is not equal. Yes or no? Yes or no? So if all are not equal means solution is consistent. First one. 3 question done. Still situation is same. If all are not equal, solution is consistent. Correct. See next. Question number 4. 5x minus 3y is equal to 11 minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22. Getting? Yes or no? So now do 5 by minus 10, minus 3 by 6 and 11 by 22. Yes na?
Yes, sir.
We have just separated. 5 2 ja 10, 3 2 ja 6, 11 2 ja means minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by all are equal. All are equal means consistent. All are equal means also and question number 5. 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Yes or no? Now just find it. 4 by 3 by 3, sorry, by 2, right?
Sir.
By is equal to 2 by 3 and 8 by 12 equal to, we'll write later that is equal or not. Yes na? Okay, so this is actually 4 by 6. This 2 and 3 will multiply, right? Yes or no? See here.
Sir.
Acha, next, this is also 2 by 3 and this is 8 by 12. Cut it. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. Yes or no?
Sir.
So 2 by 3 and here also 2 by 3. Both are equal. Check this one. 4 2 ja and 4 3 ja. This is also equal. Yes or no? Means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. All are equal. Means it is are consistent. At least all speak. Learning maths and problem is being in English. Consistent, coincident. Don't know what you people are reading. Copy it faster. Chalo, see question number 4. Which of the following pair of linear equation are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Correct. If question is asking if consistent, if then find the solution graphically, not by solving. Correct. Now we should find how? Graphically, not by solving. So question number 1 is given. Actually 4 question is there. So question number 1 is given. X plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Correct na? Acha, now. So saying to find without solving. Without solving. You should find by A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. So here 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 5 by 10 means A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. This is also 1 by 2, C1 by C2. If all are equal, solution are consistent. Solution are consistent. Consistent means more than you, so I am speaking man this thing.
Consistent.
Correct. Solution are consistent. If solution is consistent, you should find it by graph. Correct na? So find table for first one. I am writing a small. This much small, not visible only, right? And here correct. X y, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. Here also x y, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. Points are same. So I'm not drawing that graph now. Correct. I'm just representing how it will come. It will come parallel line. It will come. Acha. Question number 2. Question number 2 is saying x minus y is equal to 8 and 3x minus 3y is equal to saying 16. Equal to saying 16. See, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 8 by 16. Yes na? Means this is 2. This is 2. Means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Yes na? See the condition here. See the condition. Which one?
No.
Second one. Inconsistent. So solution is inconsistent. Correct. If it is inconsistent, we should not find the value, right? Yes or no? Question number 3 saying 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to
0.
0, right? Find it. 2 by 4, 1 by minus 2 and 6 by minus 4, right? A1 A2 B1 B2 C1 C2. Yes na? Now find it. 2 2 ja 4 means 1 by 2, 1 by minus 2, minus minus cancel. 2 3 ja 2 2 ja. Yes na? 3 by 2. All are not equal. All are. If all are not equal means
No solution. One solution. Consistent.
consistent. All are not equal means consistent. So right here. Solution is consistent. Acha. If it is consistent, we should find the value by graphically. Yes or no? So find the value. 2x plus y is equal to 6 and 4x minus 2y is equal to 4. Right? Make the box. Right? X, y. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. X is equal to 0, y is equal to y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. Yes na? Now here x, y. X is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2, 2 to 4. Yes or no? Next, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So what we get coordinate? 0, 6, 3, 0, 0, minus 2 and 1, 0. Yes na? Correct. Now after this coordinate you can able to represent on the graph system. So what is that? 0, 6. So we should do 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2 1 2, because there is no minus, so I am not taking minus right now. See, so 0, 6, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. X is equal to 0, y is equal to, this point will come. Yes or no? Next, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 0, this point will come. Yes or no? Next, sorry, first join this. True? We'll make arrow and we'll write. I'm saying fast, I know, but this whole thing I have showed you full nicely, full slow way. Yes or no? So every question I can't be on that speed only. Next, 0, minus 2. This point. Yes or no? 1, 0. This point. So it will go like yes or no? Somewhere. So this point. True? This point will be the solution for this equations. True? This side get rubbed. A1 by A2. Means after seeing also you people can't reply. If I rub, then what will happen? See, question number, which one I done? 3. Question number 4. Question number 4. Where is the question? 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Correct na? Now see, 2 by 4 minus 2 by minus 4 minus 2 by minus 5. See, cancel. So these two are equal and this is not equal. Means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. This situation means in TENT. So if it is inconsistent, we should not find the solution only. Right? Done? See here. See here. Number 5. Number 5. Question number 5. Exercise 3.2 only, right? Exercise 3.2, question number 5. Saying half the perimeter of rectangular garden. Half the perimeter of rectangular garden. So rectangular means like this rectangle. Are yes or no? Rectangle. Let length be x, breadth be y. Yes or no? So perimeter will be how much? Perimeter of rectangle is what? 2 into L plus B. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Because anything perimeter you should find, that means sum of all the side. Sum of so L plus L, 2L, B plus B, 2B. From 2 to from both take common, 2 came out and L plus B. Correct. Perimeter means every time sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides. Acha. Now come on the question. Half the perimeter of rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width. Length is 4 meter more than its width. मतलब कि if length is 4 meter more, right? Length is 4 meter more. अच्छा. So assume length is x, length is breadth is y. So what is saying 4 meter more? Length or breadth? Length is 4 meter more. Length is 4 meter more than breadth. So in which one you will add more? 4. Breadth, हाँ, correct. So x is equal to y plus 4. X is equal to y plus 4. अच्छा. Next saying 4 meter more than its breadth is 36. Is 36. 36 is what? I am reading question again. Half the perimeter of rectangular garden. Half the perimeter of rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36. So 36 is what? Half the perimeter. Half the perimeter. So this one I will write later. First do this one. Means half the perimeter means 2 into x plus y is given 36. Perimeter, right? 2 into L plus B. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. And saying half. So did half. And given that is 36. Given that is 36. Acha, means here this 2 get cancelled. X plus y is equal to 36. Here we get one equation. Acha, second part of the question saying whose length is 4 meter more than breadth. Length is 4 meter more than breadth. So what we get? X is equal to y plus 4. Just now I explained you. X is equal to y plus 4. Bring this on this side. X minus y is equal to 4. Achha. Then saying find the dimension of the garden. Find the dimension of the garden. Now if you are interested to find by graphically, correct? Find by graphically, because question is not saying you should find by graph or by equating these two equations. In both situations you will get same answer only. In both situations you will get same answer. See, so until question is not saying to solve graphically, don't solve. Why? Solving this two will take less time, but solving by graphically, making box, putting the value, then drawing the line and putting all the lines will take time. Correct? So 4, if think this question is of 4 marks, question is of 4 marks, the 4 marks you can get in the 2 minutes. But if you do the graph, it will take 4 minutes. Correct? So until question is not saying to do by graphically, don't do it. Correct? But if saying, you have to do. If saying to do graphically, don't do by normal method. Getting or not? So solve it. So what we get? Assume this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Right now? X plus y is equal to 36. X minus y is equal to 4. Cancel. So 2x is equal to 40. X is equal to 20. X is equal to 20. If x is equal to 20, y is equal to how much? Y is equal to, you should get 24, right? Oh. Length is 4 meter more than breadth, is it right? We have assumed length has x. Length has
X.
in this one you should add 4, not here. Yes or no? So x plus 4. What it will be here? Minus 4, right? This is correct only. Here how much will get? 32. So x is equal to
16.
x is equal to 16. Means this is length. Length is equal to 16. And see, putting this equation here or here, wherever you want, this is becoming easy, right? So x minus y is equal to minus 4 means 16 minus y is equal to minus 4 because x is equal to 16. Yes, na? Means minus of y is equal to minus 4 minus 16 minus 4 minus 16 y is equal to minus 20. Again we are getting ulta only. We should get length as 20 and breadth as 16 because length can't be. Do one thing. Happy? Change the notation only. Right? Let length be y, breadth be x. Correct? See, question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6 is saying, give the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Write another linear equation in two variables such that a geometrical representation of pair so formed intersecting, parallel and coincident. Full dabba question. What to say in this? One equation is given. One equation is given and one more equation is to write from our side. One more equation is to write from our side and that is saying for intersecting, parallel and coincident. Correct? First one is saying
Intersecting.
second one saying parallel and third one is saying coincident. Correct na? One equation is given. One equation is given. Other one you should think. We should think. So before thinking, write the condition. Write the. So intersecting, what is the condition? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Yes na? And for parallel. For what is the condition? See in your book. See in your book and speak. Or see in your book. Speak then. A1 by
1 by
A2
equals to A. B1 by B2 equals to C1.
If this is there, this is there. Arey check, this is not there. Check.
Not equal.
As B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by
How slow you are, man. More fast I can write here.
A1, A2, B1, B2 equal to C2.
C2.
Correct?
Sir.
Are yes or no?
Sir.
True or not? Check in your book.
Yes, sir.
All are true.
Sir.
This is parallel. Parallel means? Parallel means?
Sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Means here you will get no solution. No? Here you will get solution. Here graph will be cutting at some place. And here graph will be? Here graph will be
On.
coincident. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Now saying to find the three equation. Saying to find three equation. That too something also. Anything can be possible. So see 2, 3, minus 8. by. Correct na? Here also write 2 3 minus 8 by. Acha. We should put the value here something that all should not be equal. All should not be
Equal.
put anything 4 5 6 all are not equal. Are yes or no?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
So what do we get? 4x plus 5y is equal to 6. Anything. Anything means anything.
Sir.
Here I require this both are equal. So here I am writing 4, here I am writing 6. 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This I not required equal. I am putting something 12. Anything.
Yes, sir.
Right. So 4x plus 6y is equal to 12.
Yes, sir. Next one.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now all are required equal. So 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6, 8 2 ja 16. That too minus 16. Because all should come 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So right here 4x plus 6y is equal to minus 16. Done? Are you done?
Sir, sir.
See question number
7.
7. Question number
7.
7. See, draw the graph of equation x minus y is equal to 1 and 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y is equal to sorry x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Determine the coordinate of the vertices of the triangle formed by the line and the x-axis and set the triangular region. Correct. What is saying? First, determine the solution by graph. Determine the solution by graph and whatever triangle you are getting. Whatever triangle you are getting with x-axis. With x-axis, that one you should set. That one you should set and you should write the all vertices of the triangle. All vertices of the
Triangle.
triangle. Getting?
Sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
See here. So, saying to solve it by graphically. Saying to solve it by graphically. So, first equation is what? True? Both equation are done. Now, two dabba. Two
Double.
x, y, x
Why?
means in this full class we learn this dabba only, right man?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, thank you, at least learn something. X is equal to 0, y is equal to
Minus 1.
-1, right? Acha. Y is equal to 0, y is equal to
0.
x is equal to -1.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Next. Here x is equal to 0, x is equal to
0.
y is equal to
6.
6, y is equal to 0, x is equal to
4.
3 4 is 12. Yes na? Now 1 0 comma -1 -1 comma 0 0 comma 6 and 4 comma 0.
0.
Now represent. Correct na? Acha. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Negative, 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 negative. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next. 0 comma -1. 0 comma
Yes, sir.
x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. This point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
X is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1, y is equal to this point.
Yes, sir.
So mark it. What do you write here? X minus y is equal to minus 1. In the last question, if you can't able to learn, so I represented here properly. Yes or no? Just is to write here coordinate. What is this coordinate? Minus 1 comma, sorry, 0 comma minus 1, and this is minus 1 comma 0. Now come here. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. This point?
Yes, sir.
0 comma 6. Y, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. This point? Something point is wrong then, because you are not getting triangle. X is equal to 1, then y is equal to plus 1. See, minus and minus get plus. So 0 comma plus 1. X is equal to 0, y is equal to
1.
0 comma 1. Acha. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. Correct. So this point. Right now? And these 2 points are correct. So 3 point. 1 point is this one?
Sir.
Vertices of the triangle. Asking what vertices of the
Triangle.
So this is one vertices, this is one vertices, and this is one vertices. Right. So I am saying to write the coordinate. So written 4 comma 0. This one is what? Minus 1 comma 0. This one, right? Minus 1 comma 0. And this one, when you calculate, that time you will get. Yes, na? I am saying to set the triangle on x axis. On, see, triangle become here also, yes or no? But which is x axis? X axis this one? X axis is this is y axis. So saying to set the triangle with x axis. So this is x axis, so set this one. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So your exercise
Finished.
3.2 is completely finished.